Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Myojo Chuka Zanmai variety. I don't know which one. Just look in the title for the video. How can you not know, dude? Anyway. Usually I'll write it, or sometimes if I remember, I'll write it on the other side of the lid. That's helpful. Did I do that today? No. Am I being helpful? No. 4 minutes. So, what are y'all doing? This is the last one I'm doing today, and I'm guessing after this I'll edit, get stuff ready to do for tomorrow, go do more laundry. That's all I do lately is laundry, at least today. And then it's 1:30. We might run to the store and back real quick. I don't know. We got a big haul tonight. We're gonna go to see the fireworks for the 4th of July. So don't really wanna make the kids do a whole heck of a lot more than that. The trick is when to do when to do dinner, because I don't want to get down there. I'm hungry. Bah. So yeah, but. Yeah, it's the 4th of July. My wife's in California. I told her she can't go and leave us for a week because I had to go and change all the beds and stuff. She's not allowed to anymore. I'm really not into those elastic sheets. No. Or the top sheet. I've always been like, what's the point in that? What is that, like a body napkin? I don't understand the whole point of the sheet. You've got the sheet underneath you, and then a sheet above you. I think it's a way for the sheet people to make money. Those sheet heads. I don't know. It just doesn't seem reasonable to me to require that much sandwiching. It's like there's a whole protocol for making the kids' beds. So right now, people are posting on the local Kenmore Neighbors Facebook group a place for somewhat sane and absolutely psychopathic people to meet and agree with each other, or vehemently disagree and act like 5-year-olds. Anyway, now there's some nice people on there, and there's some people that are absolute freaking asswipes. But, and they love being asswipes. But they're all freaking out about firecrackers and fireworks. It's like every year. What happens? It's the 4th of July. They really need to think of the bees. They really need to think of the animals. Oh, Papa Smurf. Oh. Yeah. I'm just gonna put this liquid in here. But I don't know. It's just like, what's that lady, Mrs. Kravitz from Bewitched, the next door neighbor? In fact, there's a meme of her that gets used in that group sometimes, which I think is like the perfectly apt usage of it. Because people just like, I saw somebody in my neighborhood and I don't think they belong there. Should I call the police? It's like, why don't you keep your nose out of frickin' people that are just like doing things that are, I don't know, normal. The robots aren't stealing your pills, man. They really aren't. Gotta get out from underneath that Afghan once in a while. It's gonna be fucking okay. Jeez. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. It's 4th of July. America. There we go. No, but I don't know. It's like there's a select set of people that will take all and every possible grievance and bring it into a forum like a Facebook group. And to those people, just stop. Mm-hmm. Look at that, porridgey. It's got vegetable, it's got an interesting flavor. I like it. I'm not going to change my inflection on that whatsoever, because that's how I feel. It's like, it's not a southern way of saying like, I like it. It's like, I think so. I'm compelled. But it seems a little on the salty end of the stick. Oh, come on, Ramen Raider, it's ramen. Ramen salty. Oh, there's ramen. That's just like so salty, it's just not doable. This isn't that, but it's just kind of, I don't know. It's time to put some cheese, yeah. Some onion. I don't know if this is like really a great add-in, but I'm gonna do it just because I already have it dehydrated. Speaking of, I'm hoping that my sister-in-law is doing well. I'll just leave it at that. I truly do. All right. A little sheet, you mean? Simmer down out there, please. A little sesame chili oil just because it was sitting there. And some sesame seed. All right, Rotato. Number 4 today for the 4th of July. Children. Other children. All right, so they're not going to see this. I mean, it's 4th of July, but they're not going to see this until about Thanksgiving. So, you want to wish them a happy Thanksgiving? So, okay, do it.
Happy Thanksgiving.
All right, this has been Hans, and this has been
Mom's lunch.
And this has been
Baby lunch.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
You get every day.
Happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.